Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c colon and hit enter. Then type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.